Hello, everyone, and welcome to FXDD live trading webinar. My name is Nenad, and here I am with FXDD live account, and I'm very, very proud to present a full year of results with trading. Before I do that, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk. There is no solution for all investors. Please educate yourself on the risk associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Use these web addresses to sign up for more live educational and trading webinars. So we made excellent profits with the account. I'm trading this account, and it's FXDD, fully verified on my FX book. You can follow the link on my FX book, and we started with 10,000. The price and the account now is at 50,000. You can see it here. Very, very good. So guys, don't forget to follow FXDD and see how we trade also. If you go to my FX book, you will see the full result. So from 10,000 to 50,000 in a single year. I didn't expect so much of profits, but I was lucky to have 6-7 trades that went with bigger risk than I originally intend to in profits, and that is it. I use my own method to trade called Camarilla MACD, and of course Camarilla MACD has 3 different ways: London Open, Camarilla MACD Core, and Camarilla MACD Scalp and Intraday or SIT. At this point, I'm long on the dollar yen based on 2 trees here. We have a potential of going higher, but we need to be patient. Seems that market is a very slow, guys. See this, only 14 pips today, so there is no momentum here on dollar yen. But I'm long. Everything is suggesting longs. 4 hour is bullish, 1 hour is also bullish, 15-minute showed 1 to 3 before the price dropped. So I think that the break of this level again will make the price go higher towards projected levels. Estimated the stop loss is 109.30, but you need to add a spread to your stop loss on FXDD. It's approximately 2.2 pips, so add 3 pips if you trade with FXDD. And here is the expansion tool. So if you take this previous swing into account, if this high breaks up, that will create another push, and you need to use this swing, okay, because that will be also 1, 2, 3 valid breakout. And for that one, then if this is the low, you see, then the target will be here, but I expect during the night to climb and test 110. Definitely we need to add more levels. This is how we do it here. So if you go to objects lists and click expansion, now guys, I will show you how you can do it. This is target tool. This is how you do it. Click OK and edit again. Go to fib levels. Remove 100 and actually don't remove this, but put 1.50, and this is TP3. Okay, it's not TP3, it's actually TP2. TP2. Then you add 2.00. Okay, this is final TP. And you rename, okay, final TP. This is TP1. And this 61.8 is so-called interim support or resistance. Usually it breaks. For these guys, just click OK, and now you see it here. So basically, this is interim support resistance that usually breaks. Then you have these 3 TPs. Sometimes when move is strong, let's say that we have a big push above this high, then we again, for example, the price goes above this high, then you might also readjust the tool. So then this is the swing. Okay, and then this is the low, of course, and you see where the next target can be. The price breaks this high, let's say now, you see it can even go higher. So use this knowledge, guys, especially because 150 and 200 are something that dollar likes to hit. Actually, I've noticed many times that dollar really likes this level of 150 and 200. So I'm long here. I will keep my trades. So stop loss is here 27. Okay, and my target is 110.05. But of course, I'm always willing to pay attention to potential traps, such as if the market, let's say, comes here and it cannot break the resistance, then I can take full profits or scale out, put the rest to break even +1 and so on. Generally speaking, I'm very, very happy how market behaved for the full year. Of course, I liked the idea of bigger volatility, but if you remember, we didn't have so much volatility during November, and markets were slow, but still we were able to manage some money, of course, out of the market. Today, I also, guys, traded GBP dollar to the short side, and I made some nice money on the GBP dollar. Basically, I will show you right away. My trades were not persistent, but it was discretionary trade based again on Camarilla McDisit. I've noticed that market was going down, and I knew that it still has the room for more down. On 4 hour, it's okay, it's still bullish, but all lower time frames showed bearish moves. 1 hour was bearish, market was there. Then I went to 15 minutes, and I saw that market really wants to break below previous swings. Now, back then, when I was looking, we saw that this swing is going to break, and when market broke it, I immediately went short, closed for some I don't know, maybe it was 40 pips of a profit. So again, I like to simplify things, watch the full market structure, and then go with the flow. So whatever makes you money, guys, I really invite you to listen to what we have to say, to these webinars, to use our services that we offer, and definitely you will be happy. So going with a deposit of 10,000 euros, I managed to bring it up to 50,000. This is the best result I have ever made by trading any account, and you can check it on my FX book here. So let's see what the market will bring us. I expect maybe a long now on GBP dollar, maybe in 4 hours, or let's see. I want to see a bullish pattern here, a rejection, and maybe we will make a long position. But the market is at support now, so we are not shorting it now. Dollar yen, I will leave this running, and you see that market is bullish, although those were 4 hour signals. Now I went with 15 minutes. So I hope that market will also proceed higher. Other than that, there were no many trading opportunities simply because market is ranging today. Gold was good. I made some pips on gold today. I traded it to the long side. Now it's still going up and down, up and down. But the market actually hit this resistance slightly above WIS2, and it started to drop, and then I decided to protect profits. So guys, many times people ask me, Nenad, do you have a confidence in your trading? I say I don't. I have a total confidence. In order to have a total confidence in your trading, you need to master 4 different arts: the art of entries, the art of exits, the art of risk management, and the art of psychology. When you master all of those, then you will have a total confidence in your trading, and you will be profitable. I know that I am one of rare traders, instructors, mentors, and educators who publish results live. So don't be lazy. Follow this MyFX book account, and this is my performance. So if you like it, then come here, follow us, see how I trade, use our systems, and enjoy trading to the fullest extent. Eventually, you will be able to master 4 arts of confidence, again, and you will gain total confidence. Using simple tools and simple approaches always the best. Everything that I use is based on simple things, semi-automated methods, and I always check. Each signal from my own system from a trader's perspective. So this is all, guys, for today. If you have any question regarding any market, just go ahead and ask me. As I said, I am long on the dollar yen. I will still keep my trade unless I see that market is hitting this level or eventually somewhere here. Then I will decide about trade management. Full target 110.5, but you can see here it's also final TP here for Fibonacci expansion tool. I hope that you enjoyed it. I don't see any other trading opportunities as of now. So only dollar yen, clear entry, clear stop loss on FXDD, 109.27, 110.05 target. But if you want to join the trade and trade with me, then literally protect your trades once you're in profit. You don't want to be giving your profits back to market, okay? Use this Fibonacci expansion tool. If you joined up later, click expansion here. I call it target tool. Edit and just rename description. Interim support resistance. 1 is TP1, 1.5 is TP2, 2 is final TP. So basically, these are Fibonacci ratios, and especially on dollar pairs, 1.5 and 2 work wonders. You will notice it if you trade like I do. I don't see any actually questions. So I guess, guys, that everything is clear. I hope that you are actually able to make money with my ideas, and I really wish you a huge success. I will be, of course, here each weekend showing you my setups, my results, but of course, don't forget to go and subscribe for videos here, guys. I always say it's important. These are the links on Crowdcast, okay? And of course, you will be able to attend all of these webinars. I wish you a great trading day. I don't see any questions, so I assume everything is clear. I'm keeping my dollar yen trade running, of course, and I will be looking to manage my trades if I'm in profit, of course, if it doesn't hit stop loss, somewhere around these levels. Managing entries, either scaling out, putting the rest to break even +1, closing a full trade, or what I will probably will not do that, just moving my stop loss to break even +1. I will probably take profits here if market is not able to break it. I will be watching it. Thank you, guys. Wish you a great trading day. Cheers. And as always, trade safe.